Yeah, I'm gonna say it. It's honestly my favorite skincare brand. Today we're doing what some might refer to as an Empties video or a mini speed reviews video. So I'm going to show you all the products that I have finished in the last month. If you are new here, hello, my name is Cate and I'm an exclusively pro-choice influencer, which means that I only feature products from brands that are loudly and proudly in support of abortion rights. I have been doing that ever since Roe v. Wade was overturned. If that bothers you, bye! We don't need that energy around here. We need the energy of people who support women's bodily autonomy. All right, so let's get into the goods. Here is my magical Empties bag. Keep this next to my shoes in my closet. All right, I feel like no one is going to be surprised to see this. This is yet another bottle of one of my favorite hydrating serums of all time. This is the Dew Deliverance Trinity Serum. Dew within the last year and a half has quickly become, yeah, I'm gonna say it, it's honestly my favorite skincare brand. I think that's clear in the fact that I use literally every single one of the products they make, and all of the products they make are holy grails of mine. I'm just gonna read the back of the bottle because that's one of the many things I love about Dew. They're so transparent and they just put it all right there for you. Deliverance addresses 3 primary skincare concerns: irritation, the appearance of fine lines, and tone. Our clinically studied cannabinoid complex soothes irritation. A water lily complex further calms skin. Clinically studied peptides target firmness and the appearance of fine lines. And finally, niacinamide evens tone and texture. I always have a discount code with Dew. It is 10% off, and you can find all of my promo codes down below in the description box. Going in. Okay, so this is the Necessaire body lotion. I just finished this about a week ago, and I think it's very important to note that I finished it after I had very much been in the sun. I was getting a lot of sun exposure because I was up at my friend's lake house and I was a total pool baby. This was the moisturizer for my body that I turned to. This is a firming moisturizer with 5 peptides and 2.5% niacinamide. It also has 2 fatty acids that visibly strengthen the barrier: Cate oil and marula oil, and meadowfoam oil, which infuses skin with vitamin A, C, E, F, omega-6, and 9. This is just an excellent formula and it really did my skin right. I just finished this. This is the Ulla Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. This was in the shade or the flavor Strawberry Sorbet. I feel like when I use this, I can always count on it to heal my lips. It's just super nourishing. I am really picky about lip masks. This is one of those lip masks that I can put on at night and I wake up the next morning and my lips look and feel great. This is a run, do not walk. This is one of my top 3 lip masks, along with like the Tower 28 SOS lip mask. And I want to try the other flavors. I think they came out with a creme brulee flavor, delicious for fall. This is the Skin Fix Resurface Plus AHA BHA Renewing Cream. I have gone through, I believe this is my 2nd container of this. This is a lotion that I have really credited with kind of taking care of my KP. KP never really goes away. It's something you kind of have to maintain, and it's absolutely infuriating. When I say KP, I mean keratosis pilaris. It's something that's cropped up for me only like in the last 2 to 3 years. This is a really great cream that addresses that. Now, I will say KP is very finicky, but I do think this is a really beautiful body lotion, and my skin is just so beautiful and smooth when I use this, and it did for a while really help my KP. I can't really figure out exactly what exacerbates it, and I can't always figure out what exactly has healed it. This is a very skincare heavy video. I finished yet another jar of my Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Serum and Cream. This is made with soothing Japanese indigo, and this is one of my favorite face creams of all time. I will never stop using this. This is what I recommend to people if they're having like any issues with their skin. Whatever it is, I immediately am like, have you tried the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Serum and Cream? Because it is truly magical. And that exact situation just happened with my friend. He was really frustrated with his skin, and I recommended him this skin cream, and he literally Marco Polo'd me the other day and told me that he won't be going back to any other skin cream after this because he just can't imagine anything being better than this. That is just like the consensus amongst everyone I've recommended this to. It's definitely the most expensive skincare brand I talk about, but I feel like it talks the talk and walks the walk because it really has the incredible formulas, the incredible ingredients to back that price point up. This is definitely the smallest item from the bag. This is the Gen C Arch Support Brow Pomade. This is one of my favorite brow products. I have this in the shade medium brown, and literally it is so used and abused. It is so loved, like the Velveteen Rabbit, that it doesn't even have any of the text left on the bottle. I'll compare it to the Glossier Boy Brow, which I really like, but the Glossier Boy Brow is a little subtle for me. I do like my brows to be nice and bold, and I feel like this was kind of the next step up for me and gave me what I wanted in a brow gel if I was lazy and I didn't want to use a brow pencil beforehand. I love Gen C. They are a totally overlooked indie brand. I should probably do a dedicated video to Gen C because I love almost everything they've ever come out with. And of course, I went through another bottle of the Road Glazing Milk. I can't even keep track of how many bottles of this I've gone through. This is probably like bottle 4 or 5 at this point. I use this every single day. I use this in the morning and I use this at night. It is truly a next level product, and the fact that it's so decently priced kind of blows my mind. It gives you that really beautiful, bouncy, elastic skin, and a little bit goes a long way because it truly is like a very runny milk consistency. I slather this all over my neck, my décolleté, my upper back, my shoulders, that whole area. This, the cleanser, and then their brand new release of their blushes and lip tints, all of those releases blew my mind. If you haven't tried Rhode, I literally don't know what you're doing with your life or your choices. All right, got one product left. I think we only had 8 products. So this is the Dew Instant Angel. You can see I get every single bit of my Dew products out, and it's super easy because the tubes are made from aluminum, and I believe with every purchase you get one of these keys, and it really does help you get every single last inch of the product out. This is my go-to nighttime face cream. I slather this on every night as my last step. I am a true glazed ham. This is also the face cream that my boyfriend uses every single day. His skin has never looked better. You can't get better than Dew. And yes, I'm already making my way through another bottle of this. Every single thing that I pulled out of this bag, I will absolutely be using again. Okay guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, you guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time.